day, Mom and Sir. I am Jefferson Pulido, 40 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids, one daughter and 2 sons, ages 20, 16, and 9 years old. I am working before in Middle East for 2 years, finished contract, and I'm also working in Hong Kong for 2 years in one employer. My skills are cooking, taking elderly, and others. I am hardworking and I'm willing to learn, and I love my work. I'm willing to work with co-workers, and my favorite jobs are taking care of kids, elderly care, and adults. Thank you. Please check my info in Helper Library.